Hello there guys and girls. Good midnight to each every one of you. As you can see, I'm on a SUV. Sorry. I'm on riding on an SUV. Yes, brand new one, as you can see. And there he is, the great driver. Guys, I don't know if you still remember him. Sir, pangalan niyo nga ulit?
Greg po.
Sir Greg, naalala ko na. I was standing in front of gasoline station. Good thing that the jeepney that passed didn't stop for me to fetch up. So it's really a blessing in disguise not to fetch me up. It's blessing in disguise that the jeepney didn't fetch me. So I saved fare. And then somebody tells me when this window rolled down, you're from St. Marie. Yes, I know. So to make the story short, he offered me for a lift. That's why. So Sir Greg, kamusta ka na?
Okay lang po.
You know what guys, I don't know if you can still remember him. Sir Greg also offered me a hitch before when I'm walking inside of our village. And then as far as when he told me that particular time that he fetched me once, and I recall that he's the one will be having to tie a knot, meaning he will be married to her special someone on way back years. Ilan taon na?
2 years.
2 years ago. So it's Sir Greg. Sabi ko sa kanya, I told him, you're such a great person, Sir Greg, because in the first place, you can't roll down the window for me to say hi or to offer me a hitch. But still, he's really a good Samaritan, guys and gals. So yan, Sir Greg. Hold on guys, we're gonna talk to Sir Greg. By the way, thank you so much to each every one of you for watching. We'll be right back. Say hi, Sir Greg.
Hello.